What is up, RC fans? In today's video, we will be installing this under chassis armor into my Axial CJ-7, and also we'll be changing the wheels into this Beadlock wheels, BF Goodrich Beadlock wheels. Let's see. I have also bought some magnets here. Let's try to modify the locking mechanism of this body into the chassis of this Axial CJ-7. If you're enjoying this kind of content, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and of course click that notification bell. If you are ready, let's get into it. All right, so we are done installing the under chassis armor. What do you think, guys? Do you think this is a required upgrade, or do you think we can just skip it? So next one is what we're going to change the wheels and tires into this Beadlock. Where's the lock? All right, looks amazing. Now I'll change this other two. All right, we are done installing the new Beadlock wheels plus our under chassis armor is ready. I still have this metal design accessory for the hood. I will do it next time. All right, let's see how it looks. By the way, I mounted the tires at the back. All right. So far, I think I have discovered the technique on how to do this smoothly. Hopefully it works. Okay, so first we'll make sure all the sides are all right. So we were able to install it, guys. Look at that. The new look of our Axial CJ-7. The tire mount in the back. Looks great. Looks great. What do you think about this upgrade, guys? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.